Good morning class, I am your computer teacher of class 5. Today we will continue the reading of chapter number 1 which is on page number 10. Open page number 10. Yes, now taskbar option. Till now you have learned about starting programs by pressing start button and shutting down the computer by pressing shutdown button. The taskbar option has other options also besides shutdown, and knowledge about those options is also necessary. Click on start button. The shutdown button is visible on the right side. There is an arrow marked near it. Click on that arrow. A menu will appear. It will have different options. We will learn about switch user, restart and sleep mode. Switch user. If more than one user is working on your computer, then by selecting switch user option, the second user can log in without logging off the present user. The advantage is that you need not shut down the computer. Now restart. Many times when we download some programs or applications, there is a need to restart the system. The restart option is selected at that time. The programs that open on selecting this option get closed and the computer is switched off and starts again. Sleep mode. When you want to stop the work on the computer for some and start it again, then this option is selected. Whatever work you do remains in the memory and the computer utilizes less power. The advantage is that you can restart your computer without restarting the computer. Now what is user account? A user account defines account action with which the user can work in Windows. It requires username and password to log in. The user group has the rights and permissions for using computer and network. Add a new user. The steps for adding a new user are as follows. First, click on start button and click on control panel. Second, in control panel, click on add remove user accounts. Third, a window will open. Click on create a new account. Fourth, a window will open. In that window, type the name of the user whom you want to add under new account name. Fifth, in the same window, click on create button. Sixth, the new user will be added. See the pictures below. Now you can see the new user's name is also appearing. Create a user password. The steps for creating a user password are as follows. First, click on add or remove user account in the control panel. Second, click on account for which you want to create a password. For example, let us create the password for administrator account. Third, click on administrator. A new window will open. The options will appear on the left side as shown in the picture. Click on the create a password. Fourth, a window will appear. Fifth, type the desired password. Type a hint for the password and click on create password. Sixth, the display will be as per the picture given below. Next time when you switch off and switch on the computer, password will be required. You can also add the user's picture, remove password and change the account's name. So this is the reading of the chapter. You have to read this chapter at glance. In the next we will do the explanation of this chapter. Thank you class and have a nice day. Goodbye.